Happy Monday morning to you. I got the kids dropped off at school. I got some diesel. Now I'm going to pick up Justin. We're gonna head to BFS, pick up all the bales blowing insulation for the attic at the pole barn. Gonna meet the insulators out there. They already picked up the machine. And they're gonna get going on filling the attic with insulation. We're gonna start off on that garage door wall, trimming everything out and getting the panels up. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully by the end of the day, we're pretty darn wrapped on steel and we'll be able to call the electrician and say, your turn. And then once they're done with one more day's work, we're all squared away out there. So here's to a good week. Okie doke. Insulation is all unloaded. Insulator is pulling up right now. And get the time lapse set up and start rolling. Insulator just got done up here in the attic, all blown in. Looks pretty darn good. So you can see right up there, so that air channel that we had run last week, so you can see down in there, if we hadn't done that, all of those ribs, those channels right there, would just be full of that blow-in insulation. But since we put the plastic in coming up, blocked it off so they wouldn't get plugged, and now the air will continue to come out from down below, and then up and out the ridge vent. electrician came and got everything all wired in. Heating cooling came, hooked up the propane heater. So we're gonna get eyelets drilled in by each of these boxes on the ceiling and get our shop lights hung. Ta-da! There it is. So we do have one little problem. We have 8 of these lights wired in. There's 8 different receptacles all on the same 20 amp breaker. And if I have 8 of them plugged in, I flip the switch, breaker trips every time. If I only have 7 plugged in, then life is good and golden. So it's already, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it's almost too bright in here as is, but it's what the owner wanted. Wanted to be able to see very, very well. So we're all wrapped up in here. On to the next.